Amanda here with Healthy Hydration, and today's video we're going to be talking about how to infuse your eyes with this medical gas known as molecular hydrogen, which is the most powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory that you can use. It's safe and effective. 3,000 studies in 170 different disease processes. It's safe, it's effective, and there's no toxicity at any level. So this is our HH600 here from Healthy Hydration, our 4-in-1. There's 4 therapies. You can use in your eyes, you can breathe the gas, you can put it in your ears, and you can also put it in a wand, which goes into any beverage of choice. Water is my staple. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our goggles here, and we're gonna plug it into the H2 side. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then we're gonna go ahead and place it over our eyes and make sure it's nice and snug here too. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and come over here and we're gonna decide how many minutes we want. And I was just on it, so we're gonna timing increase, timing increase, timing increase. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start now. Production suspension. If you're brand new to this and you have an eye issue, maybe you have cataracts, maybe you have just inflammation in your eyes or allergies, this is great therapy for you. Do it for 10 minutes, do it for 20 minutes every day, every other day to get started. And you're gonna notice the benefits. I notice specifically when I have those tired eyes, I get some puffiness around them. I put this on, I'm like, wow, it's like an overnight facelift. It's really great. So give it a try, let us know how you enjoy it. You can try it again for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. There's no toxicity at any level, but definitely start with 10 minutes a couple of times a week. Cheers, friends, we'll see you in the next video.